How to play snake and ladder on Ludo King. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech for Gamers. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily play snake and ladder on Ludo King game. First of all, launch the Ludo King app on your device and make sure that you are logged in. From the home page, go ahead and choose this snake and ladder option at the bottom right, this one over here. And once you do that, you'll be able to see this snake and ladders interface. Now you can choose how you want to play. Select whether you'd like to play online, play with friends, pass and play, or computer. Choose any one option. I'm just gonna choose online play. And then select the lobby and click play. Right after you do that, you'll be able to see that you've joined into the game. You'll need to enter the entry fee as well, and each players take turn rolling the dice. You'll need to roll a 6 to start moving your token. If your token lands on the ladder base, you instantly move up to a higher number. This helps you reach the finish faster. So that's it. That is how you can easily play snake and ladder in Ludo King. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.